Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and getting files in place. First, check your Ubuntu release and which shell you use so you apply colors correctly. Once done, open Terminal and install dircolors and corutils with apt. Make sure apt update runs first. Then generate or edit a /. Dircolors file, this controls ls color mappings. You do this now because the system-wide defaults may not match your terminal emulator or shell, and you want predictable color behavior when you continue. Next, you configure your shell so colors persist. Load your custom dircolors with eval $dircolors /. Dircolors, and then add that line to /, bashrc or /, zshrc so it runs every session. Also export ls colors if you made manual overrides and set an alias ls equals lscolor equals auto to force colored listing. Once done, source your RC file. To confirm, run lsla and use tput setf 1 through setf 7 to preview foreground colors directly in your terminal. Finally, align your terminal emulator and theme so colors look correct. If you need richer palettes, switch the emulator profile to 256 color or import a theme. GNOME terminal profiles work well. If colors are missing or odd, make sure term equals xterm 256 color and export it in your RC file, then reload. If problems persist, verify your RC file is being sourced and that ls colors syntax is valid. One quick troubleshooting tip. Run dircolors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.